In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your refresh rate EAFC24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to adjust the refresh rate when playing EAFC24. You will be able to lower it if you are getting eye discomfort, or you will be able to set it to higher refresh rates if you like the motion smoothness, and of course you would like to utilize the native refresh rate on your monitor. So all that you have to do to control the refresh rate on EAFC24 is to go into the settings. So from the home screen of the game, go into the settings, usually by choosing this option at the top left. So immediately upon heading into the settings, you can use these buttons on PC or L1 and R1 or the left bumper and right bumper to go into display configuration. So first go into the game settings and then go into display configuration at the end. Now you will find all of the main options related to controlling the refresh rate. The reason why I say main options is because if you notice that the refresh rate is grayed out and you aren't able to change it, it's most likely attributed to the display mode. So you will only be able to manually change the refresh rate if you are playing strictly on full screen. If you are on windowed or borderless, then it is going to be done automatically and the option will be grayed out. So as long as this is set to full screen, you will be able to manually choose the refresh rate that you want to use. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you will find the main presets such as 60, 120, 144, 165, and possibly higher depending on your monitor's native refresh rate, and you just have to change it from here. You can also control the limit on the frame rate, and then the options at the top are going to be related to resolution and display mode, which, like I said, are very important because if they aren't set up accordingly, you will not be able to manually change the refresh rate. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate EAFC24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.